Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you through how to get free shipping with Amazon Prime. If you're an Amazon Prime member or considering signing up, you'll be glad to know that free shipping is one of the major perks. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process to ensure you make the most of your Prime membership. Step 1. Sign up for Amazon Prime. To take advantage of free shipping, the first step is to sign up for Amazon Prime. You can start with a free 30-day trial if you're a new user. Visit the Amazon website, search for the Prime section, and follow the instructions to either start your trial or subscribe. Step 2. Browse eligible items. Once you're logged into your Amazon account and have Prime activated, start browsing the website. Look for items that are marked with the Prime logo. These items are eligible for free shipping. You can also filter your search results to show only Prime-eligible items by using the filter options on the left side of the search results page. Step 3. Add items to your cart. When you find products you want, simply click on them to view more details and select Add to Cart. Make sure the Prime logo is displayed next to the item to ensure it qualifies for free shipping. Step 4. Check your cart. After adding your desired items, go to your cart by clicking on the shopping cart icon at the top of the page. Here, review all the items and make sure they are eligible for free shipping. You can proceed to checkout when you're ready. Step 5. Select your shipping option. During the checkout process, you'll see several shipping options. Choose the free 2-day shipping option as a Prime member. This ensures your items will arrive within 2 days at no additional cost. Step 6. Place your order. Once you've selected your shipping option, review your order once more. Make sure your delivery address is correct and then click on Place your order. A confirmation will appear and you'll soon receive your items without any shipping fees. Step 7. Take advantage of additional benefits. Remember that Amazon Prime also offers other shipping benefits beyond free 2-day shipping. You can enjoy same-day delivery in select areas, free release date delivery for eligible items, and access to Prime Pantry and Amazon Fresh for groceries, all with your membership. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated on more useful tips and guides on getting the most out of your Amazon experience.